Then good morning everybody. School name is Sakti Vinayak Hindu Vidyalaya, Tutukurin, class 10, chapter subject mathematics, chapter statistics, exercise 14.2, first sum. Then how to find the mode. This is very important. Then step deviation for finding the mean value. So deleted portion, isn't it? Okay. But mode area is included, okay, so therefore mode definitely will come in your exam. So question number 1, from the following table is given. So age is given, age 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65 is given. The number of patients is given, so number of patient, so number of patient is given. So 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5. Then now find, asking the question, find the mode. Now how to find mode, let us see. Then formula of mode is equal to what formula? Now formula we can write. Formula of mode, formula is equal to what formula? Mode, mode which is equal to what formula? So L plus L plus f1 minus f naught divided by 2 into f1 minus f naught minus f2 into h. So this one into h. So from the data we can calculate what is value of L, what is value of F naught, what is value of F1, what is value of F2, then what is the size value. So these all the things we can calculate first, then after that substitute this formula, we get the result. Okay, then once again repeat this formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F naught divided by 2 F1 minus F naught minus F2 into H. So this is the formula of mode. Okay, understand? Now how to solve this sum? See, then once again you write this given sum. So here age we can write, then here number of patients. So patients equal to, this is fi, this is xi, not xi. Then here not writing anything, so here now put table. Then interval first you write 5 to 15, next 15 to 25, then 25 to 35, then 35 to 45, then 45 to 55, then 55 to 65 we can write first. Then after that fi, this interval, the length values, how many patients you can write. Then 6 to 6, here 11, his, then 21, then 23, then here 14, then here 5. Then from this frequency which is greater, you see, then which is the highest value, greater which is the highest value from the frequency, from this frequency, in this frequency which is greater or which is the highest value. Then here you see, then highest value here is 23. Okay, understand? So then maximum frequency, so maximum frequency, highest value you select maximum frequency, maximum frequency is 23. So this one write it. Then corresponding interval, so corresponding interval, so corresponding interval, so class corresponding interval, corresponding class interval, corresponding class interval, how much power value is 35 to 45. So lower limit, so lower limit, So lower limit which is equal to how much? 35. So this is upper. So this is upper limit. So this is the lower limit. So lower limit is equal to 35. So L is equal to how much? 35. Next, we have to find the value of f naught, f1, f2. Then here f naught, then f naught value how much? F naught value, then f1 value first select, then f1 value you take in 23. So f1 is equal to, so this value is called the f1, you take f1. So here f1 is equal to 23. Then f naught means before step, this is f naught, this is the f2, this is the f2. Then f1 is equal to how much pa? So f1 is equal to 23. Then f naught which is equal to 21. Then f1 before step, the f1 before or f1 previous, you take f naught. So f naught is equal to 21. Then after that f2, then f2 is equal to how much? F2 is equal to 14. Then after that h, then h is equal to the interval size, h is equal to size. So size is equal to how much? 15 minus 5 which is equal to 10. So h is equal to how much? 10. So now h, we the value of h we get that f1 f naught f1 f naught f2 and l everything. Now we got the value. Now apply the formula. So mode is equal to, L plus f1 minus f naught divided by 2 into f1 minus f naught minus f2 into h. So which is equal to how much value? L is equal to, here already written. So L is equal to how much bar? L is equal to 35. So 35 you write. Then plus symbol put. F1 is equal to how much? F1 is equal to 23. Then F naught value is 21. Then divided by 2 into F1 value is equal to how much? 2 into 23 we can write. So 2 into 23. Then after that, then minus F naught is equal to how much? F naught value 21, then minus again f2 value how much? 14 into h, then h is equal to how much? 10. So h is equal to 10 we can write. Then hereafter in all the values simplification means. Then simplification means we get here 35 plus 2 divided by 11 into 10 come value. Simplification means. Then hereafter 35 plus how much? 20 divided by 11. After that cross multiplication you take or simplification you do. Then we get 35 plus 1.8. So approximate, na? Approximate. So which is equal to 30 for 35.1.8 means we get 36.8. So this value is called the mode of the given sum. Okay. So once again I explain to you. Listen carefully. Then mode is very important, but this is very easiest method for finding the mode. Then first of all, what are the datas? Then you write again this type manner. Then you see first frequency, then you see the frequency first which is highest. So that one you select is f1. Then after that this frequency, highest frequency corresponding what are the interval you select. Then after that, then lowest value you take L is equal to 35. So understand. So how to find maximum frequency and how to find L. Then hereafter in 23 before you take f naught. In 23 after you take 14 f2. Okay. Then after that next we need to find h. H is equal to this class interval size. Then class interval size means 15 minus 5 is equal to how much value it comes. Then you calculate. Then hereafter mode formula. Mode formula is equal to L plus F1 minus F naught divided by 2 into F1 minus F naught minus F2 into H. Then you substitute corresponding all the values in this formula. Then after that you do these simplifications. Then 23 minus 21 we get value of 2. You know very well. Then these two terms you have to multiplication you do it. Then after that you subtract minus 21 minus 14. Then we get the value of 2 divided by 11 into 10. Then after that this value is simplification means we get 20 divided by 11 in simplification means 1.8. So or otherwise taking cross multiplication maximum statistics we want in decimal value or decimal, we want a decimal answer. So that's why then 20 divided by 11, so 20 divided by 11 you do the normal division. So 20, that means that 20 divided by 11 like that you do means we get answer 1.8 come. Then after that these two value you add means we get value of mode is equal to 36.8. Okay, thank you students. Then in your book exercise 14.2 having a lot of sums, then try to solve in all the sum in 14.2. Only find the mode, don't solve in don't solve in standard deviation step deviation method. Don't solve in step deviation method for finding the mean value. So this is the deleted area from 2020 to 2021. Okay, then once again repeat. Then from then 2022 2021 deleted portion is step deviation method for finding the mean process only deleted. Okay, then after that another one means that cumulative, then 14.4 is deleted area in your statistics chapter only, but other concept everything will come. Thank you.